pretty straightforward device, except it's a chime. Normally there's the piezo for the actual Genesis sound, but instead it's this small speaker, a transparent speaker disc that gives out a chime sound from the what's on the circuit board. Or the microprocessor that's inside, perhaps maybe behind the speaker, or yeah, I would think it's behind the speaker. Of course, just like a strobe, one of these capacitors gives away its electricity and sounds and passes it over to the speaker, so it creates that chime tone. This part here, while it's just a horn only, can be removed. And this is what it looks like with that little piece removed. Since it's a horn only, it's just this red piece of plastic with these divots inside. Makes the plastic more durable, I feel, even though this wasn't too necessary. You just place it back easily. And there you have it.